BS. Total BS. And the worst thing is you can't shoot her with Bugs' carrot gun either. It's a Granwich. Well, at least that's done. One more world to do. La 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 la. Let's go. Where am I going? Let's speed this up a bit. Whee! Yeah. Here we go, the Transylvanian era. I love the music here. I absolutely love it. It's amazing.
Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Now where am I? Pretty creepy place to live, unless you're a disgusting vermin. Hey, what do you know? This nightmare is an exterminator's dream. Gotcha!
Oh, I got you.
Mother! Ah!
Don't drink it, you fool. I actually like this remix of the world music. It's really nice. It's actually quite a nice remix throughout that cutscene of this world's music, but oh well. Yeah, here goes. This music is just amazing. I might turn up actually. Over there is the entrance to a level. I have absolutely no idea how to get... Oh! That's how you get rid of it. Classic jump on enemy. Fair enough. Break the carpet, it might contain something. A valuable item. Now if I'm correct, you can't break open this thing. Yes, I am correct. Thought so. I believe I've seen one of you before. You were in a different era. Now you're attacking me for that. Why? Why Ferals now attacking me? Right. There's some bones. That's nice. Wrong button. What if someone from the Aztec era here and in normal area and not counting as a Lost in Time character? Why? These are the questions I want answered. Oh, one question I want answered. But I do love this music. It's amazing. Now Taz is a very big part in this world, and if you're playing two-player, and the person playing Taz will be expected to do a lot here, because if you're assuming you are going for everything, that is. In fact, maybe just to get, actually no, I think you need to do it just to get normal stuff in this. Yeah, I think it is to get the token actually. Yeah, it must be to get the token. No, scratch that. Player 2, you're going to be expected a lot. Don't sit on your arse all through the game, you're going to do something. I'd like to go through the Haunted River. He said yes. No, I said yes. Not no, but okay. This is the first level, and Taz is quite cool in this, I find. Can't remember what you do here at all, but yeah. So that's really loud. I'm gonna turn that down, it just sounds like static. Okay, I found the whoa. Found the buttons for stuff. X and circle. That's good to know. It's very good to know. Chances are I won't be able to get everything first time. And I mean chances are. Because I just won't. And I know that for a fact. I can tell you that now. I won't. I'll get a lot, but I won't be able to get everything. Like, oh crap. Oh, what? That just killed me. That is BS. That's not fair. It's not fair at all. Did I miss anything at that point? Up until that point, had I missed anything? Oh, that's sharp. From what I can see, no. That's actually interesting and almost impossible. But oh well. Can't hear any music here because why would... Okay. Seems to be some kind of current pulling me offshore. That current maybe. I'm sorry, I'm not amused. All I do is get this token thingy. Now I've missed things. Look at that. It's not remotely fair. Don't care. Ow! How the hell was I supposed to know something was going to attack me randomly? There's no indication that something was randomly going to attack me. Not one. I'm sorry, I'm going to abort for the carrots. You can't even do it all the first time anyway. Okay, that is cheap. I can understand... No, actually, I can't understand that. You can't get it all the first time. That's stupid. Wait, if I can run in a circle... No, I can't. Can I? Oh, snap. I don't know if I can run in a circle or not. Ow. I can't actually tell. It's like pirate then, I want it. It didn't even count it, that is BS. That is BS. I'll let the other slide, but that one is total BS, and that I will not accept. Hit me, I don't care. I'll take these. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I can't steer. It's not letting me steer. And I'm really hoping that this is part of it. Good. Because, yeah. Achievement-wise. Yeah, I do want to replay, actually. First and foremost, I want to look at my inventory. What do I need? How much? Please, only 200. Ah, fuck. 300. Great. No. I only died once. That's a good thing, I think. For this level. I think that's good. Fuck you. Okay. Come on. Can't actually hear any music. Good for you, Bugsy boy. Good for you. How the hell are you expected to get some of this stuff? I go to the right? No, I can't. Thank you. Thank you for that too. Oh, great. That's nice. That was kind of the game. Thanks for that. Well, not much to say, really. This level's a lot meaner than I remember. That's about it, really. Don't worry, the other level's a lot worse. Yay! Only halfway there.